Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing, and I know I haven't been on my channel in quite a long time, but I will tell you all about that in another video. I just wanted to simply get this video up just about my Boxycharm, nothing about me. So let's just jump right in. So when you open it, this is what you get. And let's just jump right into the first product. Because as you can tell, I have nothing on my face. So I'm going to be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And this retails for $38. It's like tan, can you tell? So I like how that applied. I like the fact that it did blur out like my little section right here, some of my forehead, some of my chin. I am breaking out here, so it's not going to blur that out. It's going to take some more than just a little bit of blurring primer, but I do like the way it made my skin feel. It feels nice and smooth, and I'm not fond of like tacky primer, so this is perfect for me. I really like it a lot. So I'm just going to jump in and do my makeup off camera so that you guys don't have to waste time, and I will be back with the rest of the products in the box. Alright guys, so I did my foundation and my concealer, so I'm just going to jump right back into the box. And I'm going to be taking I'm going to be taking this Aesthetica P12 face brush just to set my face, and this retails for $27. It's really soft, I like it. So I'm just going to take my RCMA No Color Powder and set my face. Alright, so my face is set, and I actually really like this brush. I wouldn't use it for literally anything else. I would literally just use it to set my face, just because it's really, like, it's a loose brush. It's not very dense, so it does help to wipe away excess, especially if you're baking. It would be really good for that. It's a really soft brush, but I wouldn't use it to like contour or anything because it's just a little bit too loose for my taste. I usually like a stiffer brush, so yeah, but I do like this brush. We're gonna move on to my contour, and for that we're going to be using this bad boy. So this is the Pure Sculptor, and this retails for $30, and it's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades. So always the tape. Alright, so it looks like this, and when you open it up, it comes with these 4 shades. So the highlighters are shimmery highlighters, and then the matte browns are just deep matte browns. This might be a little too dark for me though. So we're just gonna try this out. I'm a little scared. And I'm actually gonna take these 3 brushes that we got in the box. So this is the Aesthetica 3-piece eyeshadow, the 3-piece eye trio, and these retail for $45. That's a lot. And I'm gonna take this angled brush because I like to do my nose contour with an angled brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Inventor right there, lightly on my brush, and just contour my nose. So I'm just going to bake the sides of my nose contour while I move on to my face contour. So I'm just going to take my Moto Pro brush and go back into Inventor. Why do I keep saying that so weird? Inventor. And just tap off the excess. Alright, so this color is a little bit darker than what I'd usually go for, but it does work. I don't hate it. I would probably use this palette if I was more tan than I am right now, because you can tell I am a little bit pale, but I don't hate it. I mean, it's not a terrible color on me. I just don't think it matches too well with my skin tone, but I do like the consistency of it. It did blend out pretty nicely. It is very pigmented, so be careful. I'm just taking this highlight brush from Morphe, and I'm just taking the shade Originator and placing that. I'm just going to try and build it up So I'm going to spray my brush and then go back in. Oh yeah, that made it so much better. Alright, so I am just going to wipe off this nose bake with the same brush I used in the beginning, which is the Aesthetica face brush. Perfect. So I definitely think spraying my brush and then putting the highlight on, if you're like me and you like blending highlights, I think that is a great solution because it looks pretty good. I like it a lot. But we're gonna move on to our next product, which is the Beauty Creations liquid lip gloss, and this retails for $10, and this is in the shade Kiss Me. So let's just open it up. Interesting. So this is a long wear matte lip gloss. I'm not sure how that works, but let's try it out. I guess it's like a liquid lip, but it's a gloss. I don't know. So this liquid lip gloss, matte lip gloss, it basically just feels like a liquid lipstick, but it does feel really lightweight. And I do like how it dried down. I really like the color. It's a little out there, but I can't see it's a very wearable out there color, if that makes sense. It feels comfortable. Like, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips. I'm very impressed with this. I didn't know what to expect from a long wear matte lip gloss, but I'm impressed. And last but not least in this box, we have the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. And this retails for $24. So it's basically just an ink gel eyeliner. So I'm just going to be taking the Aesthetica 3-piece trio and using the eyeliner, this little eyeliner brush. So we're just going to pick, oh, hello. That's like real soft. I'm a little scared because I don't really use gel eyeliners, but we're going to work with it and we're going to try. Alright guys, they're not even, but I don't wear eyeliner, so, but this is just to show you like the pigmentation of it. I actually, if I practiced more, I would probably really like this. I'm a mess. Like, look at this. Like, what is that? That tail looks terrible. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I do like the consistency of it. It's really soft and it's easy to use. I think I would probably need a thinner brush just because I'm a beginner, but I like it. I like it a lot. It's really black. Like, it's really black. And I didn't have to use it a lot. I was just scared, so I was like still trying to go in, but I do like it. Maybe I should start practicing it more. What do you guys think? Should I wear some more eyeliner? Would you guys like that? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know. That's it for the box. I actually really enjoyed this month's box. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I did. I do think the sculpting for the Pure palette was a little bit too dark for me, but if I was tanner, it would definitely work for me. And I really like this highlight. I'm impressed. Everyone knows, if you've been watching my channel for any time at all, you know that I love a good blinding highlight. And that is what they gave me. They gave me a really nice highlight that I can add to my collection. So I'm grateful for that. I also really like this liquid lip. I feel like I have nothing on my lips. It's amazing. And it's not sticky at all. It's thumbs up for me. That's amazing. So let's see how much was in this box, shall we? So this month's box retailed for $174. That is crazy. You only paid $21 a month for this box, and you just got $174 worth of makeup. What? That's crazy. If you guys don't have Boxycharm yet, you should definitely look into getting one. I love them. They're amazing. I do get the boxes for free because I'm a Boxy babe, and if you want to know what a Boxy babe is, I have a video explaining everything, so I'll put it in the link up there as always. But it's incredible. I love Boxycharm. I really do. I've been a huge fan of them for a really long time, even before I was a Boxy babe. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave the link down below. There is no more waitlist, so get your box while you can. And yeah, so if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and if you want to be notified for when I post, just click the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!